Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can comment GIFs on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so here I'm on my Instagram, and if I go to any specific post from here, you can see we don't have any option, GIF option right here, because Instagram currently don't support GIF on the comment. But if you look right here, I have a GIF option in my keyboard, which is basically built in, and this is due to my device. And if I go and click on that, I have some predefined GIFs which I can use from here. And if I click on this specific GIF, you can see it says Instagram doesn't support image insertion, which basically means you cannot comment GIF on Instagram. One thing that I want to mention, I just want to tell you that Instagram doesn't allow users to comment with a picture or a GIF. So in simple words, you can't comment with a GIF or any Instagram post, because for now we don't have any kind of feature like that. But maybe in future updates of Instagram we do have this type of option through which you can comment GIFs on Instagram, but for now we don't have any option like that. Now, I created this video just to tell you guys that you can get anything. Don't waste your time behind inappropriate videos about GIFs and all this stuff like that. So this is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.